Now in this question, if the sum of the first p terms of an AP is equal to the sum of the first q terms, then we have to find the sum for p plus q terms. Now according to question, what they have given to us, SP is equal to SQ. Okay, now using Sn is n upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 times d, formula for the sum of n terms, what we will be having now for SP. Now SP is equal to p upon 2 2a plus p minus 1 times d, and SQ is equal to q upon 2 2a plus q minus 1 with d. Okay, therefore now p upon 2 2a plus p minus 1 with d is equal to q upon 2 2a plus q minus 1 with d. Now this becomes twice of AP plus p minus 1 into d is equal to twice of AQ plus q minus 1 with d. Now twice of A p minus q and q square minus q, p square minus p with d. Twice of A p minus q is equal to, now to this can we write it q square minus p square plus p minus q with d. Okay, so here we are having now negative of q, negative and negative positive of q, so that's why plus p minus q. Twice of A p minus q is equal to, now if we are taking p minus q common from both the things, what we are left with? We are left with, now when we are taking p minus q, it will become negative for p plus q plus 1 with d. Okay, now this becomes twice of A is equal to negative of d with p plus q minus 1. Okay, I have taken negative outside. When we are multiplying this one, this term will become negative and this will become positive. Okay, so what we can write it? We can write it here now, p plus q minus 1 with d is equal to negative of 2a. Okay, now we have to find SP plus q. Now SP plus q is equal to p plus q upon 2 with 2a plus p plus q minus 1 with d. Now what we can do it? Now can we put this term and this term? Can we use this part for this part, means this part for this part? Okay, so what we can write it? We can write it now, SP plus q is equal to p plus q upon 2 with 2a minus 2a. Okay, and this becomes p plus q upon 2 with 0 is equal to 0. Hence SP plus q is equal to 0. answer.